Well, sadly, we have an update about Jerry Robin from Jerry Robin on his Instagram, and it's not exactly a good one. Saying, quote, "Well, this is a tough one to write. Had to get T3 through T9 fused yesterday after that crash. The 3 into that rhythm was huge and no room for error. And unfortunately, when I was putting my foot back on the peg, the tip of my boot caught my rear brake just barely. It was enough to not make it, and with how steep the transitions were, it threw me forward, landed headfirst into the next 3-footer, and instantly went paralyzed. As of now, I'm belly button down paralyzed. Surgeon was able to completely straighten my spine, which is a huge positive. And there are some fragments that they got out of my spinal cord, and they had to leave some in there. We will see what this journey brings. I'm hopeful I can walk again. Going to be a hell of a tough road, and I'll just have to stay as positive as I can. Thank you so much to everyone that reached out. I really am thankful for all of the love and support. Tough to make a tiny mistake that and have my life changed in the blink of an eye. Was riding really good this year, but unfortunately, it's part of the sport. So, sadly, that is the update. Paralyzed at the moment, and that's never the thing you want to hear. I mean, it is. It's the snap, 1 second mistake or little crash or something can completely change your life, and that's something these guys have to deal with on a moment to moment basis. I mean, you think about that one crash, and now you've got T3 through T9 fused. You're paralyzed from your belly button down, which hopefully, knock on wood, he can walk again. Hopefully, this is a temporary paralysis, and he can get back to normal life. Who knows if that's back to racing or if that's just, back to walking and being happy with that as far as it can go. But you know, like I said, go check out his Instagram, leave him some good messages, whatever you want to do. And yeah, with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.